Hi everyone, blessed be. So I thought I would talk to you today about wishing stones. So if you want to know about that, keep listening. So a wishing stone is any rounded pebble that's been rounded by water with a unbroken white line all around its circumference. Typically it's a line of like quartz, because that's quite a common mineral. And you want one where the line's unbroken. Don't have one where the line's broken. It can have multiple lines coming off, but as long as it's got at least one that goes all the way around the circumference, that's fine. Then the next bit, I'm going to tell you how to use a wishing stone. So first of all, you need to find your wishing stone. You can find them by bodies of water. You can find them pretty much anywhere. I found one in my back garden. So you can find them, but typically by bodies of water, like by the sea, by rivers, that sort of thing. So what you want to do is when you've found your stone, hold it in your hand and think about the wish that you want to have granted. And imagine in your head that that wish is already coming true. And what you do is you take your finger and you follow the line all the way around the stone as you think about your wish, as you ask for your wish. And when you get all the way round, hold your stone and imagine your wish is now coming true, and feel how happy you would feel when the wish comes true. Feel how satisfied you are that the wish has come true. Think about the feelings that, imagine it's already come true. Then what you need to do is throw your stone into a body of fast running water, or the sea. So either a fast running river or the sea, you need to throw your stone back into. If you found your stone in your back garden, what you can do is give your stone to someone else. So gift it to someone else. Basically, you need the stone to be far away from you in order for it to grant your wish. So you could pass it on to another person who wants to make their wish, and then hopefully your wish will come true. So my slides are a bit slow actually. But yeah. So I hope you found this useful. Hope you find it interesting. I found it interesting when I found out about wishing stones. I knew about wishing stones and I'd found some before in the past, but I wasn't sure about how you use them. So I thought I would let you know because I wasn't sure about how to use them. So I thought some of you might not be sure how to use them either. So good luck in finding your wishing stones. Hope they work for you. And blessed be, and bye for now.